Welcome back to Dulcet Scintilla. I'm Angel, and today we're going to be making smoked salmon, avocado, cucumber bites. So let's get started. The key ingredients are avocado, lime, smoked salmon, cucumber, dill for garnish, salt, and pepper. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to chop the cucumbers at least 1/4 inch in thickness. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut an avocado in half. You do need this whole avocado to put on top of each of the cucumbers. So all you're going to do is you're going to cut in half and you're going to scoop out the avocado. And then you're going to sprinkle some good old citrus, whether it be a lemon or lime. Either works. So you're going to squirt some lime juice over your avocado. This is just going to prevent it from browning. And you're going to season it with a little kosher salt and black pepper. Now we're just going to mash that avocado nicely into little chunks. Then we're going to spread out the cucumbers onto a nice little serving plate of your choice. Then we're going to sprinkle at least about a teaspoon of the mashed avocado onto each of the cucumbers. Now we're just going to divide up the smoked salmon to bite-sized little pieces and just place them nicely over the cucumber avocado. Then as a finishing touch, we're adding just a little piece of dill on top of these cucumber avocado smoked salmon bites. And this appetizer is perfect for little small gatherings or just a snack for simply two. I hope that you enjoy, you comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time. Bye!